out of the factory? Yeah, right. Normal.
Sick. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited today because what I have behind me is a 2015 BMW 335i, and why I'm so happy is because I had just completed the 1999 Corvette that we just worked on. So I thought that was another Corvette that we just saw. I freaked out. We just completed the 1999 Corvette C5. And as you guys have seen, that project was kind of a bear. Not to bash the car or anything, but working on old cars gets frustrating, and it is just a totally different ballpark. So John and I put in a ton of hours on that car, but that one is done, out the door. Now it's time to focus on this one, get back to our element, get back to a new car, something that's built to come apart. And I'm just very excited to do it. I've taken apart a couple of these before, so excited to get into it. And first things first, let's take it apart, and then next up we will start wrapping this. So, as we take apart this car, one of the other big projects that we've been working on is getting the wheels powder coated for the BMW 535i that you see right behind me. So what we're gonna do is take a brief intermission, send you guys over to Ray's really quick while he finishes up the powder coat, and we will see you guys when you get back.
We already went ahead and we sandblasted and stripped these wheels. So what that pretty much does, we chemical strip them to take off all the paint. And now we're just gonna mask the up centric, and we're gonna mask the back barrel so it meets good with the surface of the rotor so it doesn't shake while you're riding on the road.
I'm selling my soul to keep it satisfied, waiting on the corner for you one last time.
So wheels have been masked. Now we're gonna outgas them. A lot of people don't know about the outgassing process. Pretty much aluminum is porous, so with all the road grime, all the oils that fall on the wheel, sometimes they get sucked in. So what outgassing does, it pretty much heats up the wheel to 400 degrees, releases all those gases, so when you powder coat them, you don't get bubbles in the paint. So we're gonna throw them in there for an hour at 450, let them outgas. Just pull them out and coat them.
But I believe in you, swear I'm on the right track. I say it again if you cross my mind. I don't understand why you're riding high. I don't wanna feel like you're lost inside.
Alright, so wheels are coated. They look matte right now, but once they cook, they're gonna turn gloss black. So we're gonna shut the door, let them cook for about 45 minutes, and then bring them back out and show you guys the finished results. Showed you guys a little process of the powder coating. I didn't show you everything because there's some stuff I can't do in-house, like chemical stripping and all that because of regulations. So I just showed Andy how it works, pretty much how it turns from a powder into a solid, a gel, and then a solid. That's why it's called powder coating. And yeah, man, just give us a follow on Instagram, Ray's Customs. RAYZ_custom. We do everything from polishing to custom finishes, 3-piece wheels, valve covers, pretty much anything car related. Just hit us up, give us a follow. Thanks.
Edwin, what are you doing?
Loading up the tires or try to keep my hands clean.
Okay.
Can't get my interior clean.
So as you guys know, we got some stuff powder coated. We're on our way to the powder coat shop as we speak. My boy's getting ready, getting some gloves. And then, Mitchy, you heading out?
I'm leaving.
All right, so everybody say bye to Mitchy. We'll see him tomorrow, or you guys will see him tomorrow. Bye, Mitchy.
They'll see me in like 10 seconds.
All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Wow.
So now we're on our way to get the tires actually mounted. I feel like every time me and my boy Edwin have an adventure, it's usually mounting tires or something related to wheels. So I guess we're just gonna do that today. And yeah, content, boys. Hey, bro, you're going too fast, bro. Keep it under 20, all right?
Man, that's as fast as I can go.
I can see you in your house. Do you feel alive when you save yourself? It's a long way down, but I feel alive. None of this will break my bones, but the memories may hurt me down. But I will let go.
Alright guys, so we're back. My boy Edwin and I, mostly me, did all the work, so brought some nice little meters back. We got the wheels and nice little sauce on them, you know what I'm saying? Even my boy Andy's helping out, bro. That's how you know this is not just, you know, some weird show on TV. This is a brotherhood. We all do work here. Yeah, so tomorrow we'll probably install these bad boys. So
I don't know about tomorrow since, you know.
I'm not gonna be here tomorrow, so I'll see you guys later.
Hi! I gotta be Daniel, he's not here.
Alright guys, we just Alright guys, so we just got these back last night thanks to Johnnee and Edwin for picking them up. We got the Ruiz on now, so we can finally get this thing out of the shop, and yeah, that's it. Cool?
Alright, so that is the end of this one. We officially got the wheels torqued down, got the car back on the ground. One of the things I really want to shout out again is the quick jacks. That made life so much easier, saved so much time with getting the car up in the air, getting the car back down. It's one of those things where it sounds like a shameless plug, but honestly it is. It's something that we've needed for so long, and it's something that they finally came through. They sent us over a lift, and it's going to make our lives 1,000 times easier. Basically, as soon as this car comes out, we have another car coming in that actually belongs to Sabrina, TJ Hunt's girlfriend. We're going to be working on that one, and we are going to be powder coating the wheels on that one as well. So this lift is going to come in handy everywhere. I'm so glad that we have it, and I'm excited for all the stuff we're gonna do with it. So that's it for this one, and we're gonna get back to the 335i. That one.
Can you stop? Oh, I'm out.
So these boys have been working so hard all day long. Hey Ken, what are you doing?
I have to leave.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Yo, did you finish the 25 other orders that I told you to do before you left?
No. I'll get those done. Hold on. I'm sorry, man.